as this seminar rightly seeks to chart, requires a comprehensive and multi-program pronged effort. It requires a shift in social mindset, a collective awakening that begins in our homes. We must raise sons who respect equality as naturally as they breathe, and daughters who know their rights as instinctively as they know their duties. Legal reforms must continue, but law alone cannot change hearts. Targeted initiatives in education, healthcare, and economic opportunity are essential. Our education system, guided by the National Education Policy 2020, has a critical role in combating gender. We need to create a work environment that are safe, equitable, and accommodating of the balancing act that women performs between home and work. We need a robust mental health infrastructure that is accessible, affordable, and free from stigma. With trained professionals who understand the gendered dimensions of psychological distress. The Government of India, under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, has launched numerous initiatives for women's empowerment, from Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao to ensuring financial inclusion through Jan-Dhan accounts, from providing clean cooking fuel under Rwjakha to promoting entrepreneurship through Mudra loans. The emphasis on women-led development is a cornerstone of our national vision. Here in Tripura too, our government is committed to ensuring that the women of this state are not just beneficiaries of development but active participants and leaders in the developmental process. Schemes focused on self-help groups, skill development, and healthcare are being implemented with dedication. As we deliberate over these 2 days, I urge all participants to expert policymakers, activists, academicians, and students to engage with honesty and urgency. Let us move beyond rhetoric and actionable strategies. Let us learn to the voices of women themselves, for they are experts on their own lives. Let us ensure that the outcomes of this seminar do not remain confined to academic papers but translate into real change in the lives of women in Agartala, in the remote villages of Tripura and across our nation. The journey from the health to the horizon, from being subject to history to makers of history, is long, but it is a journey we must undertake as we must undertake it together. With these words, I congratulate Maharaja Bir Bikram College and all participants for organizing this important national seminar under the aegis of PM Usha. Before concluding, मैं 2-3 चीज बोलना चाहता हूं कंक्लूड करने से पहले।